Hi guys! Here's how you can add this kind of SMS link on your website. Now for that, log into your WordPress dashboard. We're already logged in. Let's create a page. Add a new page. And we'll call it SMS. Choose Custom HTML. Now type a ref equals SMS. Write the number you want to send SMS to. You can also use custom text. Say hello. For space use percentage and 20. And close this. And write the clickable text. And close this. This is done. Publish it. You can use simple CSS to hide it from the desktop. Now let's quickly check it on mobile. So this is the page we just created. And if I click on Send SMS, open. And you can see the message and the number. Thank you very much.